This is Sulagna Singha Roy from Campus Technology Portfolio Company of Times of India Group. So today we will discuss task assignment. So I'm sure you do task assignment maybe manually or also maybe you are using some portal. But if you are using campustechnology.me, so there are certain benefits and today we will discuss. Now you must be thinking that why we should replace. No, we are not here to replace anything, but it has generative AI, that is your assistant, which will help you more. So let's get started. Uh, if I'm login, I'm doing it like I'm showing it from demo account from faculty login. So whenever you are assigning any task, initially what you have to do basically, you have to create user ID. So whomsoever you are trying to assign the work. Now, what work I'm talking about, I'm sure. So, these are the work basically that can be related to, accreditation, that can be related to aligning institutional goals, that can be related to, faculties taking class, or that can be related to, student empowerment also. So that can be used for anything, and this task assignment, whatever you are assigning, accordingly those details would be aligned as per accreditation requirement also. So let me quickly show you how this task assignment happens. So as you can see, there is I have logged in already. Now I will create the task. So while creating the task, you have to click on plus button. So when you click the plus button, so for example, if I do for maybe um, criteria 1, and I'm showing NAC related work, if that is designated, how it comes. So it will be basically, now you can say 1 minute, collect value added courses from all department. So accordingly you can give responsibility to any other person, that can be any criteria coordinator also, that can be anyone. So whenever you are giving, basically what will happen, I have told you that you have to create the user ID. So that can be institutional mail ID, or that can be personal email ID, that can be any email ID. The person you want to assign, that email ID has to be added here. So that has to be done from a admin access. So in a different session we will show you how that can be added. So today only we will discuss how task has been created, and how assignee can see, and different approver can be approver also. Okay, let's come back to here. So assignee, basically what will happen, that it's a demo account, as I have told you. So just give me 1 minute, let me search. Yes. So I have somebody in by that name, so I'm adding. An approver cannot be the same person, so I have to look for approver also. Yes. So since this account is a account can be approver also. So maybe IQC director or coordinator is adding the task, but he can give, or she can give the responsibility to HOD also. So let me create. Yes, as you can see, since this is created from this ID only, so that is why it's it's visible here. So basically, if after adding the task, if you add to wish to give more comments, that also can be given, and it will go to assignee only. Okay, so whenever assignee is logged in, they can see. Okay, let me show you when assignee logs in. Just give me 1 minute. So I have to check basically. Just give me 1 minute. Yes. So this is the faculty, I'm sorry, this is the admin account. So here, whosoever you want to add, if you add here, while assigning there, you can easily get that person. Okay. So, yes. I think this is the ID I have taken. So this is the assignee part I am going. So whomsoever I have assigned. Yes. So whenever I click to my task, see that criteria one collect collect courses from all department, collect it will be value added courses. So while typing, I think I have done a mistake. So whatever task you are, if you are adding properly, it will show in the assignee part. So if I have completed, now if I have completed, if I say mark completed, so I have to give how many hours I have taken for this and the date. So task was given to me today, so I can give tomorrow's date. Now today I cannot give tomorrow's date. Tomorrow only I can give tomorrow's date. So for showing and for a better understanding, I am giving today's date and I am clicking on save. So whenever I am completing the work from assignee side, it will go away from here. So my login I will be not able to see. Now let me go to the like approver login. So if I have logged in as an approver, so see it has since it has been completed. So if I it's showing that see, so it is pending, that is a separate one. So whatever has been completed, if I click on complete, you can see that it will come there. So since it's a demo account, different task was showing under pending, but whatever I added right now, so collected added courses from all department, yes. So if I say not okay, it will again go to pending for the assignee part. But if I say okay, then it will go away from here, and accordingly the concerned person can always see that the task is added. So this way, in the same way, in the you can add any other data if you want, like course creation or any task can be easily added, and accordingly it will be monitored. And from admin login, basically where all the task has been completed, it will be accordingly, it will show. So approved. So whatever you have approved in past 2-3 days or maybe in a 1 week, so since you have approved this, so it will come here. So in every segment it will get changed, and accordingly it will date wise also, if you want to filter, you can filter and check what has been completed. So in that way you will have a proper track. And if knack related things, then it's a complete, as I have told, that it's a complete software. So whenever they are adding the data in the software, that can be checked from the admin access or the role based access, whoever is the approver. so that can be checked, or any class related or any assignment related. So everything, it's a complete software, so that can be mapped here automatically. So since this is basically data related and I was showing a demo thing, so here it will, in under accreditation it will not come, but otherwise whenever you are adding the it's completed, then it will come here under that particular metric also. So that is the additional benefit using campus technology. So thank you so much. If you have any query, please reach us, and quickly you can download, or you can simply go to the browser and type campustechnology.me. Thank you. Good night.